Hey y'all, coming to you from the international headquarters, ScottieDTV, but I was up at the 2021 Pigeon Forge Rod Run, and I came across a very nice 1969 Ford Mustang Boss 429 I think you're all going to like. Let me get the camera turned around, we'll take a quick look at it.
What about that? Mustang of that era, 69, 70, the Cuda, 69, 70, the Chevelle, 69, 70, it didn't matter. You know, I mean, I couldn't have. I'm glad I couldn't buy a car back then, because I don't know what I would have chose. But had you chose this Raven Black, one of 93 1969 Boss 429 Mustangs, you'd have something that's worth a whole lot of money today. This car it's only been within 25 miles of the original purchase place. It's been restored, 5.5-year restoration done on it, no expense spared, as many original parts as could be used, and if they couldn't, you know, date correct, all that kind of stuff. You can only imagine. It's just refinished to an insane. Ford never did one this nice. But man, one of the first 200 S codes, something to do with NASCAR, it went to Carcraft and then got sold. So, you know me, I don't know nothing but cool, and man, that's as nice of a Boss Mustang as I have seen. And look at that, just cool, man. Don't make no changes to it at all. I mean, obviously you wouldn't do that to this one, but they were just so cool from the factory. Of course, it's got the Deluxe Marti Report to back up all the pages, 2 pages of documentation to back up the build of this car. It's only had 3 registered owners. One owner had it for 40 years. KK 1362 is its number. You can look on the registry, that's why I bring that up. You can look on the Boss Mustang 429 Mustang registry, and this car is listed. Just gorgeous. And I brought a really cool orange street machine Mustang of this generation in, and you know, usually you don't get many of these. There was like 4. There was a really nice blue one there, there was a really cool green one there. Not complaining, I'm just saying. It was the year of the 69-70 Boss Mustang at the 2021 Pigeon Forge Rod Run. But let me give them a shout out. It was off the hook. I'm talking about crawling. It always is good, don't get me wrong, but this year they had over-registered and over capacity in the parking lots in the cars, and man, it was just no mask, no real regulations, keep your hands clean kind of a thing, and it was on. We had a great time. So to everybody that puts on the Pigeon Forge Rod Run, way to go, guys. Beautiful job this weekend. Everybody had a ball, and you can always expect this kind of top-notch car when you show up to the Pigeon Forge Rod Run. Been going on 39 years. Next year is going to be the 40th anniversary. My goodness, what are we going to do? And there you go, right? That's it. All original. I mean, look at the tags hanging on the radiator. We're talking original, like day 1 delivery. My goodness. Awesome car. Well, like I said, ain't nothing to change about that one. Name on the title, that's all it is. So there you go from the 2021 Pigeon Forge Rod Run. A very, 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 may I say one more time, very nice 1969 Boss 429 Mustang. Hope y'all have enjoyed it. See ya!
y'all, make sure you subscribe to this channel and visit ScottieDTV.com for an easy way to search the hundreds of videos I have posted. Either click the link in the description or the one at the end of this video.